we want to determine the value of x in this equation. 2 to the power square root of x is equals to 8 to the power x. Okay, we're going to solve, but don't forget to subscribe. Okay, we know that 8 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 cubed. So we're going to replace this into this equation, and our new equation will be 2 to the power square root of x will be equals to 2 cubed to the power of x. This is by replacing 8 by 2 to the power 3. Okay, we know that a to the power n, all this to the power n, is equals to a to the power n. This set 2 to the power 3, all this to the power x, is equals to 2 to the power 3x. So coming back to our equation, we now have 2 to the power square root of x is equals to 2 to the power 3x. Okay, here we have the same base, 2 and 2. So for this equation to be good, the square root of x needs to be equals to 3x. So to solve this equation, to have the value of this equation, we have to solve the equation square root of x is equals to 3x. Okay, now we're going to erase both sides squared as squared, and here we have the absolute value of x will be equals to 9x squared. Okay, remember here that x is positive, so the absolute value of x remains x, that is x will be equals to 9x squared. So we're going to take this x this other way, and we'll have 9x squared minus x will be equals to 0. Okay, now we're going to factor this expression by x, that is x into 9x minus 1 will be equals to 0. Okay, this means that x is equals to 0, or 9x minus 1 is equals to 0. This said, we have here x is equals to 0, or 9x is equal to 1, that is x will be equals to 1 divided by 9. So finally, as solution of that equation, we have x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1 on 9. Subscribe to receive more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.